go out. He never told me anything. He went west and I went south, and still he loved me. We were born on two different stars, mine black and blue, his yellow as a burning heart. I was bound to see him die. He was bound to see me consume my way out. Told me forever, I never told him anything. Corners are ours, time is not though. None of our business, so does God. The sun's supposed to guide us through this very harsh life of ours. A newborn from a new star he gave us. She's sweet as a flower but wild as a storm. And I see her bouncing from cloud to cloud, never having a rest. She drives me crazy, she's eating my nerves out. My guts are troubling, I'm gonna hurt her.